Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I have a very quick makeup tutorial for you guys. This is a 15 to 20 minute quick glam makeup tutorial. So this is my go-to makeup look when I'm running on low time and I need to quickly get ready for an event. This is usually the makeup look that I gravitate towards. So I thought I would film it for you guys so you guys can see what products I like to use, what my techniques are, and yeah. So if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, then make sure to keep on watching. Okay, so to start, I already moisturized my face. I used my Kiehl's Ultra Facial Oil-Free Lotion. So now I'm going to go ahead and quickly prime. Realistically, I'll just grab any primer that I have on hand and put it on. So I thought, why not go ahead in with a new primer that I recently got, and it's the Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer. So I'm going to go ahead in and put some of this on my T-zone. And then I'll quickly just go in and make sure that everything is nice and smoothed out and that my pores are nice and blurred out. Alright, and then just to quickly refresh the skin, I'm going to go ahead in with my Pixi Makeup Fixing Mist, and this is the rose water and green tea one. I will never skip this step even if I'm running on low time. So I'm going to go ahead in and spray this. Okay, so next I'm going to quickly color correct my face, and I'm going to be using the same products that I always use, the MAC Prep and Prime Color Correcting Stick in Peach Lustre, as well as the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. So usually what I do is I blend this guy out and then I go over top of it with the concealer and then blend that out. But when I'm on a time crunch, I literally will apply both of these at the same time and then blend it out. It still does the job, but usually when I have a little extra time, I'm super extra with my makeup and I like to do 2 separate layers of these. But on a time crunch, you can put these together and blend it out and it still works just fine. So color corrector is all done. Now I'm gonna go ahead in and do my foundation. I'm going to be grabbing the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Natural Beige. So the reason why I like using this when I'm in a rush is just because I feel like it's so easy to blend out, and also the fact that it's medium to full coverage. So based on what I'm rushing for, like whether it's a daytime event, nighttime event, this is perfect. I can wear this light or wear this heavy and it looks perfect, and again, blends effortlessly. So this is usually what I grab when I'm in a rush. Alright, so foundation is on. Now I'm going to go ahead in and prime my eyes, and I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And usually I do this because I don't usually have time to find all the makeup that I need. I'll just try to make do with what I have. So concealer works just fine to prime your lids, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then just to set the lids in place, I'm gonna go in with some Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder in Pound Cake, and then I'm just gonna set them. And then while my lids are setting, I'm gonna go ahead in and do my eyebrows. Okay, so once I'm done with my brows, I'll go ahead in and just wipe away the setting powder that's on my lids. Alright, so now I'm going to go into doing my eyes, and I'm going to be grabbing my Tarte Clay Play Volume 2, and I love going into this palette because it's got really nice pretty neutrals, and typically like any eyeshadow look from this palette will look good with any outfit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the color Doneness. It's this shade right here. It's a very nice cool toned dark gray type of color. So I'm just going to grab a blending brush and blend that into my crease. Alright, so once I have that color blended into my crease, I like to go ahead in with the color Smoke, which is this shade right here. And what I like to do is just go ahead in with a flat brush or my finger, whichever one it is, and just apply this color onto my lid. And now I'm just going in with my finger to intensify the shimmer. Okay, and then what I will do is I will go back in with that blending brush that I used to apply the crease shade, and I'm just going to blend the crease out again just to make sure everything is nice and blended together. Okay, so now I'm gonna jump into the face. I always do this. I always kind of like start the eyes and then kind of like leave it for a bit, do my face, and then go back with the eyes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and contour, and I'm going to be using my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer because I love this one. So I'm going to go ahead and just sculpt my face. And then with the same brush, I'll just kind of dust the sides of my nose to kind of do a quick nose contour. Very, very subtle. I don't usually have time to do like a proper nose contour, but this just kind of adds a little bit of a shadow and helps define the nose a bit. So now I'm going to go ahead and highlight the face. I'm going to be going in with my Tarte Creaseless Concealer in 32N and also my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in 27S. So what I like to do is apply the Creaseless Concealer under my eyes because it's a different formula. It's more of a hydrating formula, and that really works well with my under eyes. And then I apply the Shape Tape on other areas of my face because I don't want to put the hydration from this concealer on those other areas like my forehead and my chin. So I'm just going to quickly go ahead and with these two. And to set everything in place, I'm going back in with the Huda Beauty baking powder and pound cake. So while everything is baking, I'm going to go ahead in with some eyeliner. So eyeliner is done. I'm going to go ahead and wipe away all the translucent setting powder. So now I'm going to go ahead and put on some blush. I'm going into my Morphe 9N blush palette, and I'm going to be grabbing this cool toned blush shade right here. So I'm just going to brush my brows because I see a little bit of translucent setting powder. So I'm going to quickly go ahead in and highlight the face. I'm going to be going ahead in with my e.l.f. and Nabela Noor highlighter. Alright, so I'm done with the face. I know I keep jumping around, but that's literally how I do my makeup in reality, where I'll like do a little bit of my face, do a little bit of my eyes, and then my brows, and then just jump around. So the face is all done. Now I'm going to wrap up the eyes, and then I'm going to be doing the lips, and then I'll be all done. So just to finish up the eyes, I want to finish up with the lower lash line and my lashes, and then that's it. So I'm going back in with the shade Doneness, which is the shade that's in the crease right now. And I'm going in with a small brush and I'm just going to smoke this into my lower lash line. So I'm not going to be applying this onto the entire lower lash line, just the first half. So I'm stopping right at the halfway mark. Okay, so that's pretty much it when it comes to the lower lash line. So now I'm going to quickly go off camera and put on some lashes and mascara. So I love going in with the Kiss number 11 lashes when I'm in a rush, and that's just because they're super easy to put on and they're just such a nice lash that it works with like any occasion really. You can wear this like for a daytime look, even an evening look. I usually just kind of put some mascara on the lashes if I want the lashes to be more dramatic for like an evening glam look. So I'm going to go ahead and pop these on, and then I'm also going to go in with some mascara for the lower lash line, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline Lash Sensational. Alright, so lashes are all done. Now I'm going to go ahead in and finish up with my lips. I'm going to be lining them using the e.l.f. Nabela Noor lip liner in Maira Nude. And for lipstick, I'm going in with the Kylie Cosmetics matte lipstick in the shade Dolce K. Alright you guys, so that is the end of the tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want me to do more makeup tutorials that are time efficient, quick, and easy to do, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will definitely make more. And of course, if you guys have suggestions on any tutorials or any type of video that you guys would like me to do, then make sure to comment down below and let me know. And of course, all the products that I used today will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure to check that out. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!